Michelle here, back from Fire Natural Hair and Faith, and in today's quick video for Vlogmas, I am sharing with you guys right here in my kitchen space. I have a small kitchen, as you can see. It's like basically a little rectangle, and this is apartment living for you in New York. However, I keep my space really organized, and I want to take you guys with me on a little journey inside my cupboards to show you how I took some tips from the home edit show on Netflix. Have you guys heard of the home edit? I follow them on Instagram as well, but basic premise is that they organize every single thing with labels and colors and all this stuff. I'm not so much with the colors because I don't typically have a lot of colorful stuff, but I definitely organize based on some of the tips that they provided in the show. I was watching the show like taking notes, so I want to take you guys and show you what I've done. Let's look into my cabinets. Inspired you to get yourself organized. If I know it's a small space, but hey, organizing small spaces might be even more important than organizing big spaces, because the clutter can quickly overwhelm you if you allow it to. Me, I cannot stand clutter. So hopefully what I've showed you, maybe you'll take some tips from the home edit, and I will catch you in my next video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a very blessed day.